let me hear it stand. Wait.
Fuck no. We
Skinny. Yeah.
Are you ready to go to this baseball game?
Yeah, you ready?
Imposter! What have you done to my wife? Who are you?
Oh, wait. I think I want to go lighter.
Let's get the... Wait a minute. No! But thank you.
What is the knee high step?
Oh my God! Stop! Stop! What is like a Christmas?
Okay, baby, ready?
Yes, ma'am. What is this? What did you?
All right, look. Larry! Baby,
Yes, mama.
look at me.
Oh my God.
Okay, listen. I told her to go light, and she went extra light. But just have an open mind, you know? Like, it's...